We're fitting some of these to the camper van today, utility lights. Well, I am, but because I'm not doing anything electrical, they'll not work. But I just want to see what they'll look like, because they're getting wired next week and I'm impatient. So that's what we're doing today. We're fitting lights that won't work yet to the camper van. So this is what we're fitting today. These are the Lazer Lamps Utility25, and to be totally clear and transparent with you, I got sent them by Lazer Lamps. I asked them, I was going to buy them anyway, and well, basically they sent us some. So this is what the little beauties look like, and I got the little amber lens covers for them because can I get them on? Hey, there we go. Got them on, and I got these off eBay. These are the brackets that fit them to there, but I had to get them powder coated. So I only got them back yesterday. We're going to put them on today. These then, I think, sit on like this, and then basically you look mint. But as I mentioned, I'm not wiring them. I'm not electrical minded at all. I don't want to mess on with anything like that. That's not my forte, and I know where my limits are, and fitting this is pushing them. But fitting this is what we're going to do. You may remember when I got these. Well, now they're on sale, men's and women's in different colours from sizes small to XXL. Got men's cotton t-shirts in there as well, which are all top drawer, dead thick, heavyweight cotton. They're all fulfilled by a local company called 06. Put your order in on their website. There is a link to it in the description below, and they'll fulfill the order first class. Normally get them within 2 or 3 days. So yeah, check them out. Just while I go and get some tools, how good do them lamps look on the grill? You've probably seen them with the amber on. They're the best change I've made to the camper van for absolutely ages. They look class. They are ridiculously bright as well. The other laser lamps I had on the grill, they were bright, but these are brighter. They do bounce a little bit though, which annoys us. But anyway, I need some tools. Now, as you can probably see from this, Danny tidied it. So no doubt everything will not be there where I left it. So, I first seen these ages ago, to be fair, but I wasn't sure where to get the brackets from. Now, I've got a friend called Aidan who, well, he runs Arc Overlanding, which is a YouTube channel, and he made a video of basically doing this exact thing. So I thought I'd copy him. I also bought one of these bugs out of things which he put on this video, which I thoroughly enjoyed. Oh, and also I ordered the tyre table off him as well, which that's on off his video as well. So if you haven't already followed him, have a neb, because he's good. Some handy stuff, especially that top 6 one. But anyway, I found the thing that fits. It's 13 mm. I think that's the technical term. And I was going to put on my drill, but my drill are not fitting there, so I'm going to have to do it properly. Right, I don't know how I'm going to do that actually. I don't know if I've even got space. Do you reckon? Will this fit? Way aye. So now that I've fixed the camera, you might be able to actually see the issues that I'm having here. So basically this is how it goes on. This bolt slides over there. That goes in that hole. Apart from, well, it doesn't. And I think it's because of that lip. So I don't really know how else I can go about this, to be honest. I don't think there's any way around it. I might have to ring Aidan, see if he can help. I may end up regretting this actually. Let's see what happens there. Whoa, that was nearly a big fucking nightmare. Well, it's on. I don't know if the bonnet will close properly, like, to be honest. Hopefully. I just don't want to Way high. Way high. Fucking way high. Easy that. Does touch on the top of that bonnet. Does it? No. I might slide it back a little bit. I'm going to slide it back. Let's open it back. That's the way to do it. Should we put a light on? Yeah. No, we'll put the other bracket on first. Let's not get too excited. We just need to check the bonnet shut, and then if it does, we'll pop the, well, like I say, basically what I'm going to do is, well, I'm going to tape up the connectors for the lights, just so no water gets in if it rains, which I'm off to Scotland, so it will rain. And then the electrician's coming to do them next week. I just want them on because I think they'll look class. Then I'll do another video of, well, them being on. Now, it's the moment of truth of whether the boot, well, the bonnet still closes flush. Way high, man, that looks sweet, that. They look really, I like them. They've come out really nice, actually. Let's grab the lights. Let's grab the lights. These again, so basically I've just taped the end of that up with some gaffer tape. That'll do, innit? Guarantee these will not work by the time the Sparky comes to fit them, when I've bloody getting them soaking or something. So this goes in here. And then I need to adjust the angle of the lights after with an Allen key. Well, and adjust the angle, but tighten the angle. And then we'll get this on. Alright. They look good. I like that. That's the first one. I think I'll probably turn it a bit more straight so it's kind of looking head on. I don't know, like, I wanted them because they look good. I don't really know what the use of them's for, if this is a utility light, but no, I think that looks nice. I like that with the, I don't know, with the yellow lens thing on, like, I'm not 100% on the lens cover, but I do like it. Let's get the other one on, and then at least when it's balanced up, it might look a little bit better. What we're thinking, lens covers or not? I think lens covers personally. I just think they'll look a bit better. It's a bit harder. Bit JDM, bruh. I think if we point them slightly off centre, so they're just to the side a smidge, with the lens covers on. Let's grab that one. Yes, I like. Now the last bit I need to do involves gaffer tape, and I just want to stick the wires down somewhere, if I'm honest, just to keep them out of the way. I don't want them to come and end up whacking off or getting tangled up in the wiper blades or out mad like that. I'm just going to stick them down, and then that'll keep them out of trouble, hopefully. I very much like them. Now, like I said, unfortunately, I can't show you what they look like on because, well, they don't work. But they will next week. I'm off to Galloway for 2 nights with the missus and the dogs. So we'll probably do a video of that. But in the meantime, this is all you're getting. Next week, I'll do a follow-up, having a look at the laser lamps and see how bright they are. No doubt they look as cool as this, and they got a nice little switch, just so I can switch them on and off. They're not like daylight lights or running lights or any of that. Thanks for watching. Sorry there wasn't a trailer update, there's just nothing to update you on yet. That'll come next week. See you later.